Hood Farms. Coming at you. Open the door, Jerry's. Doing this a little early today. I don't normally like to do it midday like this because it'd be real hot, but it's alright. We're gonna fill up they bucket with some food. Oh, here they come. Here they come. Look, look, look. Here they come. Two girls be ready. Dang, I spilled all that stuff on my floor. I'm so mad. I got a vacuum though. Oh, Jerry's, get the other scraps. Get the scraps for me. Get the scraps for me, baby. The scrap food. What did you drop? We're not taking no sharks outside. Leave them in here for now. Come on. Get the what you gonna call it? The thing. No, for the chickens. The chickens. Focus. Yes. Yes. Excuse me, y'all. Thank you. All right, put your stuff on. Cause you gonna hold the scraps, and we gonna close the door, baby. So I'm gonna be in and out real quick cause I'm tired today. I've got so much done. I'm so happy. Close the door. And I need to get in the shower. So I said, let me just deal with these chickens because once I'm out of here, I'm out of here. Once I'm done from outside, I'm done. Jerry's, get the scraps, baby. I need your help. And I need you to open the, come on. They're going to be trying to get you now. Don't let them boss you. Oh, look at her. She twitching her backside. I don't know what that's supposed to be. You ready, Jerry's? Come on, buddy. We have to put some greens in there for them to eat. I need to go ahead and put some water in there. It might keep growing something. Get down. Down. Get down. That's okay. Come on. She keeps trying me. Don't put it right there. Put it in here. Put it in here. But they not getting none. If they jump up on there, we're not gonna feed them.
No, me.
Go ahead. You do it yourself. Spread it. Spread it around.
Stupid.
Spread it over here too. Looks like they have plenty of water.
Ew.
I know it looks nasty, but they eating it.
The chickens want to eat.
Ain't nothing but some potatoes, a little bit of meat. All right. Yes, praise the Lord. We got some eggs. All right, Jerry, that's enough.
Yeah.
Thank you.
They're thirsty.
They thirsty?
I think food with that.
This food got to go in there. Here, can you hold this?
Eat that.
No, hold this. So you can see me.
Can I put it?
You my camera person. Do not go off this. All you doing is recording. Teach you how to record. Just sit there and watch me. Don't touch nothing. Just sit there and watch me, okay? You gotta let the people see. They want to see the eggs. Can you see me? All right, so we just gonna put this food in here. You want to put the food in there?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
No, it's
No, we're not dumping it right there. We're dumping it in here. Come on, come show the people. Look, show. Show what mommy's doing.
They want a yacht.
Jerry, show what I'm doing. You're not showing. You about to get fired. You want to get fired? Come show over here. do not have to stick your head in there like that. That's why I do this. Cause y'all be acting extra. Are you watching? You're not even watching. You got to show. Come on. Here, sit right here. Sit right here and record. All you got to do is show what I'm doing right here. That's all you have to do. That's it. Exactly. That's all you have to do.
That's
I spilled all that food. I spilled all that food right there.
Who did it?
I did that. They gonna eat it though, watch. It's gonna be easier for them to eat, watch.
Damn, maybe they babies.
Ain't no babies.
They sipping their food.
I know they stepping in their food. They crazy. Why y'all stepping in y'all food? I'm gonna try to scoop some of it up and put it back in there.
Football.
Jarius, are you watching? Watching. I don't want to get pecked though. They ain't scared. Look at them. I just let them eat it. Shoot. They eat off the ground anyway. They're animals.
Animals?
Yeah, they're animals. They good. They know how to make it work. Thank you, camera boy. Cameraman. Excuse me, cameraman. You cameraman? Mm-hmm. Jerry said he cameraman, y'all. Excuse me. Ooh. Okay, come on. Let's go check on the garden. Or what's left of it. Oh, y'all, I'm tired. I need a nap. I've been up since my husband left. And I ain't been back to sleep. But I said I wanted to start getting up earlier, so mission accomplished today. Let's see if we can keep it going. Our little friend's still there. Our little spider friend's still there. I don't play with them. Come on, buddy. Let's check on stuff. That's like oh, look at the little lizard friend. Y'all see that little lizard right there? Oh, I just don't want it hopping on me. Them things move fast. Little farmer. Yes. You know I'm talking about you. This is looking good. I thought I put, or maybe this is a cucumber, y'all. I forgot what I put in here. I ain't put no whatchamacallit on it.
Picture to your phone and your phone.
This thing is steady growing. I really don't want this to grow, but I'm gonna let it grow because it's on a different vine. What you say?
I want your phone.
You want my phone?
Mm-hmm.
Not right now.
Picture to...
We need to find something to hold that.
Oh, a watermelon. It's big.
It's getting bigger, yeah.
Who did it?
We did it. We did it together. See, when you're patient, things will come and it's time.
Can I picture?
No, we're live, Jerry. So we're showing the people. It's water. I'm getting ready to just roll this.
It stinks.
That's what I don't stink no more. Not like I used to. It don't stink no more.
It's poop.
No, it's not. Stop.
It's really poop.
Stop. Watch out, buddy. Watch out. See, this is why I be out here by myself. I get stuff done. I be in and out. But you gotta teach the babies. You gotta teach the babies. Alright, we just gonna slide this over today because I don't feel like doing all that. I'm gonna move this over a little bit. Ooh. Oh, hold on now. Look at this. This has really got a flower on it. If this grow a watermelon on it, y'all, like even if it start a watermelon, I'm gonna be so shocked because this is my first time trying it. That's interesting. This got flowers on it already. Crooked squash. This may not make it. I don't know. Look at that. That don't look good. That look bad. I don't know what happened right there. That look like they say when it do that, it may or may not make it. That's fine. But they say they go like that. Plant that down in there and cover it up. It'll start some roots and it'll get stronger. That's a squash. Okay. So I'm just going.
Fishing.
You doing what? You fishing? Where's your fishing pole at, buddy? How you gonna fish without a fishing pole? Yes, you. No. We're gonna put it right here where this watermelon is. I don't feel like, look at that. I'm not about to dig my hand down in there like that. This is about to get dumped right on here. So one of my other, hello there. One of my little, what was it? One of my little, can y'all see that? Watch out, buddy.
One more time. One more time.
One more time. Ew. Oh, I forgot to get that bag. It got them banana peels in it. I need it. I really wanted it. I know. Oh, no. If I... It's all right. It's all good.
Let me hold.
Yeah, I be trying, cuz. Shoot. I done already been to the gym. I'm tired now. But, hey. Y'all hear all them animals over there? My neighbor got all kinds of animals over there. So I just put the rest of that water in there and the bottom of the stuff fell out. But I'm gonna keep it there. It'll be all right. That ain't nothing but straw and stuff. Yes, Jarius. Let me see if I have any water.
Can I roll it?
Can you roll it? Nah, we're done now. You can leave it there. If you come this way, be careful. Watch out for snakes. Watch out for bugs and animals in this tall grass. We got our boots on, but still. Ooh! Spiderweb. Honey, when I tell you. I must be a queen because I got so many daggone spiders around me. Oh my gosh, here go a spider web right there. Wait, whoa. Back up, sir. Okay. See that spider web? Look. See that? See that? That's a spider web, baby. You got to be careful. You got to look at what you're doing. You know I'm back at it again every day. Watch out, son. Watch out. Spiderwebs over here because it's the water, so they trying to catch the bugs too and eat. Come on, you gonna get the water or what? What's up?
Get the water.
Go ahead. Are you able to reach the water? I don't see no muscadines over here no more. What happened? They be doing good. Then they get hot and they fall off. Here, buddy. Let me help you.
Yeah.
Use 2 hands. There you go. Uh-oh, don't drop it. That's all right. Hey. Just hold it on this end and hold it. There you go. There you go. Stop doing that. You're spreading water everywhere. Probably in your face. Come on. You can do it. That's right. There you go, farmer. Stop doing that. Do it gently. Come on. Try it again. Small baby steps. Go. Come on. Come on. You can do it, son. Come on. You got water everywhere. There you go. Come on. Go. You're not about to let me do it. I'm just trying to help you. Come on. This is what we do. It's what homesteaders do. Go this way. Come around this way. You see that? That's prickly. Come this way. You got to learn your leaves. There you go. You're making progress. Keep going. There you go. That's right. Use your feet. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Keep going. So strong. There. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. 2 hands. Ooh, don't drop the water. Don't let the water spill. Go ahead. Go through the path right there. There you go. Keep going, buddy. Oh, boy. You is tripping. And you is making my work longer. Come on. Now, you use both hands. Stop trying to act like you don't. No. You can't do the fun stuff. If you don't want to do the hard stuff, you don't do the fun stuff. Nope. Move back. You don't get the water because you didn't carry it. You don't pick and choose. You do it all. Excuse me, y'all. But you got to teach these kids. You work, and then you enjoy the fruits of your labor. You don't let somebody else do the work and then enjoy their fruits of the labor. Where they do that at? Not where we, not at Hood Farms. I'll tell you that. Poor little lavender. It's hanging on.
What are you doing?
I'm watering the plants. You can water it when you carry the water. When you carry the water from over there to here, then you can water it. But as of right now, not today. Another day. I look like they got enough water. My potatoes is getting more stems over there. Sound like something back there in them woods all the time. All right. That's it. I don't have much to water. Because remember, we are growing seeds. Oh, I should have brought some seeds out, y'all. So I could plant some. So I can sow some seeds. Dang it. What I might do is I might go ahead and just put these in something and go in the house and do it. I already got some stuff tilled up. Let me go ahead and do that. I already got some stuff tilled up. Ooh, butterfly. So what I'll do is, Child, another spider web. So what I'll do is I'll get my dirt ready, and then since I'm going in the house anyway, I'll go ahead and plant some seeds. And what I'll do is after I get done planting my new seeds, I'll just, oh, this got a little hole. I don't want to do that while it's dry. While I'm planting my new seeds, I'll link a picture in this video below of the seeds that I sold today. So hopefully I'll do that. I'm gonna do that. Okay. So let's see. What you doing? Tilling? You tilling the dirt?
Mm-hmm. I'm tilling Hot Wheels.
You tilling Hot Wheels?
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Okay. So what I'm gonna do is all this stuff. I need to get a trash bag around here. I'm gonna do it in here. That way I won't lose any of my dirt. Don't get too comfortable because we're getting ready to go. You know what? I'm trying to do the easiest option. There we go. That looks like it's easier option. Yeah. So I'm gonna just use this, and I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do next. What should I grow next? It's the winter time coming. I know I'm probably gonna definitely try to do some more lettuce because, like I said, I'm not really that good in lettuce, so I know I'm gonna have to really keep trying till I get it. Once I put that water on it, it'll compact it down. So, bam, I'm gonna take this in the house with me. This is going in the house with me. Oh, look at that. That's all right. Once it, you know what? Let me wet it a little bit. I wasn't gonna wet it till I got in the house, but that's 6 trays. It's a 6L. I wasn't gonna just find me some water. Here goes some water. Easy peasy. So if I wet it, it won't be like dripping out. You know, it won't be so crumbly. That way I won't get it all on my carpet and stuff. On my floor, rather. My little area rubs in my floor. Yeah, so I'm going to wet this a little bit. I'm not going to saturate it. I'm just going to wet it a little bit. That way I ain't got little pieces of, like I said before, dirt coming out the little side right there. This will help compact it a little bit. Keep everything together. Yeah, so I forgot my seeds, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this tray in the house. Because this was the dirt that I had sifted a couple days ago. So I'm going to just use that. Let me see. See? It ain't falling out like it was before. All kind. Alright, son, you ready? No? No?
I'm digging.
You're digging? You're digging into the hole? Okay. What you gonna plant? What you gonna sow? Hmm? Strawberry plant? Okay. I know. That's what I'm saying. These bugs is out here. I'm ready to go. Alright. That's it, really. I don't have my seed day in the house. And, this ain't wet. I gotta wet that. I don't need that. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring that tray. Probably bring that tray outside. And plant them like that. Excuse me. Okay. I guess that's good enough for me. He be acting like he don't want to come outside. Then when he come outside, he don't want to go inside. We just came from the park. Put that right there. I need a stocking or something for that. Because I think what's going to happen, if I put some underneath there to alleviate some of the weight, I think it'll grow faster. Because when this was smaller, it was kind of stuck in between here, and it was growing real fast, and I had to like push it out so it wouldn't get stuck. And then when I push it out, it started growing a little bit slower. So I think if I need to do that, I'm gonna find me something, y'all. What about this bag? Y'all think this bag will work? I need to find me something stretchy for real. All right, guys, that's it. Oh boy. Come on, Jarius. We're outie. Hmm? You was digging? I know. Hold that for me, please. Hold it at the bottom. Close up. I don't need no big creatures coming up in here. Oh, you want to just grab it out and put it on the ground gently. Yeah, put them down on the ground. Don't drop them like that. I told you nice. I told you gently. Did I say gently or neatly? Either one. Either way, you still didn't have to drop it like that. It's not funny. It is. Why is that funny? Get the bucket, please. Hey, sis. Is that Sister Inga? Hey, Sister Inga. I miss you. Be gentle with my eggs now. Thank you. Alright. So I'm going to leave this right up here. And I'm going to get me some seeds. I'm going to go off camera and do this. Y'all watched me did the seeds last time. So this video was a little bit longer than what I wanted. And the camera was probably all messing up. But I had my son help me today. He's did a really good job. He did really good with the camera, son. He's going to get even better. Thank you for watching Hood Farms. Peace. Love you guys.